Hello everyone, I am Prachi Shorki and today we are going to learn how to insert an element in an array. Shown here is the algorithm to insert an element in the array. Now if we look at a linear array in which we want to insert the element at the fourth position, then we need extra spaces for inserting that element at the fourth position. For example, if we look at a bottle, here is a bottle which is partially filled, and when we try to insert water in it, so due to the extra spaces which are present in the bottle, we will be able to fill the water in it. But if the bottle is completely filled and then we try to insert water in it, then this would result in the overflow of the water. The same is the condition in an array. If there are extra spaces present, then we will be able to insert the element in an array. But the extra spaces are not present, then we won't be able to insert the element in an array. So let's take an example where we are given the item is equals to 22 and we want to insert it at the location k is equals to 4, which means that we want to insert the element at the k is equals to 4. LA is the linear array of length 10, LB is the lower bound, UB is upper bound, and N is the last filled element which is equal to 7. Here we see that k lies between the lower bound and the upper bound or equal to it. Next, if we look at an algorithm, the algorithm starts with n greater than or equal to upper bound, which means that the upper bound is either equal to n or it is greater than the upper bound, which will result in overflow as we have seen earlier. So, in this condition, we'll write the overflow and then we'll return it. Now we'll repeat I is equals to n to k by minus 1. That is, from n to k, we want to use an loop in which we'll set the LA of I plus 1 will be equal to LA of I. So in this condition, we will take the values 4, 5, 6, 7 from k to n. So we will write 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then we'll set linear array I plus 1 is equals to LA of I. So linear array 4 plus 1 will be equal to linear array of 5. Means that the element at an index 4 is shifted to the fifth index. Now similarly, if we look at linear array 5 plus 1 will be equal to the linear array 6. That is, the element at the fifth position is now shifted to the sixth position or sixth index. In the same way, linear array of the sixth plus 1 will be equal to the linear array of 7. That is, element at the sixth position is shifted to the seventh position. Now the linear array of seventh is shifted to the linear array of 8. That is, the element on the seventh position is now shifted on the element at the eighth position. So now each of the elements are shifted. So we'll rewrite the array, that is 8 as 40, 7th position as 35, 6th position as 30 and 5th position as 25. Now we see that the index 4 is empty, or we can say that the space is created for the element 22 to get inserted at the position 4. So that LA of 4 will be equal to 22. That is, the index 4, the element 22 will be inserted. After this, we see that the next step is n is equals to n plus 1. Earlier, n was equals to 7. So now the n will be equal to 8. Because now we can see the last filled element is not 7 but it is equals to 8. Now after solving each of these steps, we'll return everything and then we'll get the inserted element in an array. This was an algorithm how to insert an element in an array. Thank you so much.